Nation.
Jessica, and I'm back again with another video. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I meal prep. And so I want to give a shout out to Homely Bliss for sending me these meal prep containers. There are 4 big containers in here, and they also come with 2 little mini ones as well. And so they also have a pill bottle in here as well. So like if you take medicine, you can keep your medicine in here. And it also comes with this bottle as well. They also sent me this ice pack to go with it as well, so it'll keep your food nice and cold. So it's just really perfect. Like everything, all the containers fit in there perfectly. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing you how I meal prep and what I cook and basically what I would eat in any day. And so yeah, let's just get started. So first I'm gonna be making my smoothie as well to put in the bottle. And I'm going to be making a strawberry banana smoothie. So I just take 5 strawberries, and then it's going to be half a cup of ice, half a cup of milk, and then I'm going to put it in my blender, and then it'll be done. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm chopping the bananas up into really small pieces, and then I'm removing the leaf of the strawberries and then also chopping those up, and then I'm just putting them into my NutriBullet blender, and then I'm adding half a cup of milk to my blender as well. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding some ice. And then now it's all ready to blend, so I'm just taking it over to my NutriBullet. It also comes with this blender as well, so you can like blend your smoothie as well. So I'm just going to be pouring my smoothie into the cup. And so if your smoothie's not blended all the way, you can just shake it. And then the little blender in there is going to help chop your fruit up, so it'll be a nice smooth smoothie. So now next we're going to be moving on to cooking the food. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make veggie wraps. And so I just cut up a bunch of peppers and onions, and then I'm going to grill them using some olive oil. So next I'm going to be seasoning the vegetables with Tony Chachere's, and then just letting them cook a little longer, and then later adding the spinach because the spinach doesn't take as long to cook. And now next I'm going to be taking a tortilla wrap and then adding the grilled vegetables onto it, and then just adding a sprinkle of cheese. And you don't want to put too much cheese because you still want to keep it healthy, but yeah, you can add a little bit of cheese. And then I'm just going to be folding it up and then cutting it in half and then sticking it into one of the meal prep containers. So next I'm just heading into my pantry and then just grabbing some more snacks to pack into my containers. And so in one of the smaller containers, like the smallest one, I am just adding some crackers. And then in the other smallest one, I'm just adding some peanut butter because I'm going to be using that for my apples that I'm also going to pack as well. And so here I'm just getting out some fruit and my yogurt. And so I'm just, in one of the big containers, I'm adding some Greek yogurt, and it's really healthy, only 80 calories. And then just adding some strawberries and some granola to it. So next I'm taking another one of the larger containers and then just adding some grapes, and I don't like to keep it on the stem. I think it's like really annoying eating it that way, so I just picked them all off. And then in the last big container I'm cutting up an apple, and then I'm going to put the apple in there. So this is pretty much what I would eat in a day, and I try to keep it really healthy and pack a lot of fruit so that way I'm not snacking and stuff like on chips and sweets and stuff. So I feel like fruit is a really good substitute. Next, I'm going to be packing some vitamin C and omega fish oil into the vitamin container that it came with. And then I'm just going to be packing everything. So I'm putting the ice pack in there to keep my fruit cold. And then just packing everything up, and it fits perfectly. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on how I meal prep. And so, like I said, I got this lunchbox and the meal prep containers from Homely Bliss, and they also sent this water bottle as well. And so here I'm just going to show you what I packed. So I have my ice pack here. It keeps my fruit cold. I have grapes and apples, and then I have yogurt and some granola and a veggie wrap, some crackers, and then some peanut butter to go with my apples. So that's how I meal prep. Also, I have a strawberry banana smoothie. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I have so many more videos coming out and I can't wait for you to see them. So thank you. Peace.